Hi everybody and welcome back to Love What You Eat. On today's episode we are making
spaghetti with clams, spaghetti con le vongole. Spaghettiallevongole, a dish that originates from Naples, where my husband was born and raised. His mother would do this very often on Christmas Eve. It brings back wonderful memories for him.
And this is a very simple dish to make. So the longest point was soaking. So what did we do? We started with soaking the clams?
Yes, the clams in a shell, or also sometimes even if you buy them in a can, they retain a lot of sand. So to make sure that the sand gets released, we fill the bowl with cold water, about 1 liter, and we added a tablespoon of salt, and we gave that a little whisk, if you want, a little bit of a twirl. We strained the vongole from the cans, and we put them in desalted water, and it has to stay there about 3 hours, just to make sure that if there's any leftover sand, that it eliminates from the clams.
Perfect. But then after the soaking, then we strain it and we give it a last rinse, just to make sure that any last little bits of sand were
That's correct.
removed. Great. And then we ended up adding that to an already prepared sauce, tomato
A simple
sauce that we had.
marinara sauce. We prepared a simple marinara sauce, and while the spaghetti is cooking, that's when you add your clams, so the sauce starts taking in a little bit of the flavor of the vongole. And then you just strain, assemble, and serve. It's so quick, simple, and easy and delicious dish to prepare for Christmas Eve.
It brings back lots of memories. So this is something from our home to yours. You can make your spin on it, but we hope you guys are enjoying just little classic, authentic meals and desserts and dishes that we're putting out there. And we hope you guys give this one a try. What do we say? Until next time,
Continue to love what you eat.
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye.